let me add this directory. So directory I will take. Okay, so let me check Flutter. I think it's working. Okay, so Flutter doctor. Okay, check. This is working. So there is no need to add any of the Flutter SDK. See, it is taking this FVM versions. Okay, so now I am installing Flutter install 3.16.0. 3.16. Okay, okay, no problem. 3.16. I'm installing. Okay, so it is installing. So let me check. This is no space left. Okay, so I have a space problem. That's why it is not running. Okay, so 3.16 not found. Okay, I think 3.16 is not available here. I have to check this directory. Which is available or not available. So let me check in this 3.16. Okay, candidate zero at least available here. So I have to install 3.29 is also available. I want to see all the branches here. No more branches. Okay. Okay, so I search 3.16. So it is searching for 3.16. And next, yeah, 2 years ago, 2 years ago, last year, 3.16 can be reached 0. I will install this. Okay, because it is latest and ahead of all the branches. So now I'm installing this one. Checking it is working or not. Okay. Which covers? I have installed 3.35. Okay. Let me check. Okay. Oh, these are all branches. These are active branches. 3.35. Okay. I think it is taking only this, but why? So I will tell to my, but it is taking 3.16. Okay, so I'll check with this. So let me check the list of FVM. There is two versions installed, and I can also check here 3.35.7 and 3.16. Okay, so I will run this in different project, but for now I has to empty win and clean the space and run this project for now. So we have checked how to install AdVM and how to add an environment variable or cell. So now you can quit this video or like, share, and subscribe, please. So it will definitely run on 3.35. So take care. Bye bye.